Hey everyone, this is Louis. I have some really exciting news to share with you today here in this year of beauty 2020. I'm inaugurating our new aspect, our new section of Grace in Action, a newest initiative, which I started about 20 years ago with the global cleanup, picking up trash in public areas all over the world. We got a lot of people going on that, and it's still going. It's just been awesome, and a lot of other organizations have joined in. It's been really, really heartwarming. And then years later, we started a forest of fruit, planting fruit trees on public property. Here you can see an apple tree we planted 13 years ago that's looking amazing. And people in the neighborhood just feed off it, local workers, it's awesome. And now this year, in the month of May of 2020, which is the year of beauty, I am initiating fields of flowers, planting flowers in public areas. And again, there are some caveats there. You want to make sure that you're not violating private property rights or anyone's, privacy and legal rights, and also making sure you do your homework so that plants are sustainable and harmonious and not invasive, things like that. So anyway, you can see I've planted some geraniums here, recently. This whole hill is covered. You can't see them because I just stuck cuttings in. But a year from now, we're going to do a follow-up, and this whole hill is going to be, we can back up and get a shot of the hill. It looks bare now, but there are going to be flowers everywhere next year. So anyway, very exciting news. So if you're going to join in on this, again, please do some homework so that you're, honoring all the moral and local laws as well. And let's just keep creating beauty in the world. We need more of it. I'm Louis. Filming live here in Laguna Hills, California. Namaste.